Alright fam, we are finally doing this. This is officially my first YouTube video, and honestly, I've been running away from YouTube for far too long. I've been hiding behind TikTok and Instagram, doing all this silent, aesthetic ASMR unboxing like a mysterious person. But today, we are finally speaking. We are facing the reality, and we're unboxing this MacBook Pro M4 24GB RAM with some full gist. So welcome, my name is Maruf, and some people call me Marstein. I'm a video editor based in Nigeria, and this is my first ever time using Mac in my editing career. Let me start with the real truth. Windows has stressed me. If you've ever edited long projects on Windows laptop, especially when the footage is heavy, you already know what I mean. You press play, it will delay. You move the timeline a little, it will shake. You try to add effects, it will give you attitude. You export and the laptop starts lagging instantly. And the thing is, I wasn't even using any high-end gaming laptop. I didn't want to, because number one, these laptops, they are heavy. They are heavy like dumbbells. Number two, the heat alone can fry you. And number three, the battery drains. It drains like somebody's toilet. So number four, I didn't want to spend that kind of money only for the laptop to start struggling after a year. I wanted something future-proof, something stable, something that can handle my editing, even 2, 3, 4 years from now. That's the honest reason why I decided to switch from Windows to a MacBook. Now, let's talk about this box. I already opened it before because I shot my TikTok and Instagram ASMR clips. So I repackaged it for this particular video. So please allow me. Content is content. But let me open it again. The packaging alone is doing quite luxury. Everything is soft, minimal, calm. You have some Windows laptop. As you're unboxing it like this, it sounds like you're opening a bread from ShopRite. But Apple will make you feel important. Look at just look at this laptop. Look at it. Look at this fine boy. The design is very, very simple. The body is very, very strong. The body feels sturdy. The edges are very, very clean. Like you can really feel the quality while holding it. I know you can't feel it, but you can feel it. The keyboard feels comfortable, not too stiff, not too soft, and the trackpad is on another level. Apple didn't need to make a trackpad this good, but it did. It feels like it's reading your mind. Every gesture, every scroll, every tap is very, very smooth. Just look at that display. This one shocked me. I'm used to normal laptop screens, but this display, the colors are bright, clean, and accurate. When you are editing, you can actually trust what you're seeing. There's no weird things, no odd color sheets, no shadow playing hide and seek. It just looks correct. As a video editor, that alone is very, very huge. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The ports. Apple said USB-C only. So yes, the adapters will humble you. You will buy adapters for HDMI, for USB-A, for SD cards, for everything. But after a while, you will certainly get used to it, because I know I did. Once you set yourself up properly, it is not that deep. When I first started using macOS, I won't lie, I was confused, which was like a few days ago. I was tapping things like a learner, I was looking for right click, I was trying to find File Explorer. The shortcuts were confusing. But after a few days, everything started making sense. The system feels organized, apps open instantly, switching between the tasks is very, very clean, and the craziest part for me, there is no noise. Like there's no noise, there's no fan screaming, no heat attacking you, it's so calm. Editing on this thing feels like you're walking inside a library. It is peaceful. I can place my hand on the laptop, I won't feel heat on my hands, right? For the editing performance, honestly, that's the reason why I bought this laptop. With the M4 chip and the 24GB of RAM, the performance is mad. Timeline playback is smooth, scrubbing is smooth, adding effects doesn't lag, 4K footage feels like it is 1080p, multiple layers, transitions, color grading, it just handles everything. Exporting is fast. Sometimes it finishes an export before I even have time to panic. And this is not a technical review. It is not about benchmark numbers. This is me just telling you from the point of view of someone who edits every single day. Like I mean Monday to Sunday. This laptop removed stress from my life. But let me be honest, switching to MacBook is not perfect. You'll definitely buy an adapter like I said earlier before. You definitely Google some simple things. You definitely struggle with the shortcuts. Some apps behave differently from Windows, and storage fills up faster than you would expect. But after you settle down, everything becomes very natural. It gets to a point where you start wondering why you didn't switch earlier. We all know it's because of money, but still. So if you are a creator or video editor in Nigeria thinking about switching to a Mac, here is my honest take. If you hate lag, switch. If you want a stable performance, switch. If you want a laptop that doesn't shout or heat up like a generator, you better switch. If you want something that will last you for years, definitely switch. It is expensive, yes, but so is stress. If your work depends on editing at speed and stability, this laptop is worth the investment. So yeah, that is my experience switching from Windows to MacBook Pro M4 24GB RAM. This is my first YouTube video, and shout out to you for watching till the end. More unboxings, more editing content, more behind the scenes, more gists, all that is coming. Please subscribe. And to all my Windows users watching this, peace be unto you.